Here I have iPhone SE 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off or on front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the camera settings, and here you have to enable mirror front camera. And when you have this feature enabled, you can, like, the photos you take will be mirrored. And let's try another without this feature. So as you can see, these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.